guys, so today we are at a store that is called Arman Oyuncak here in Turkey, and I am going to be filming the doll section. I'm trying to avoid the people in the store. I was actually allowed to film by the manager of the store, and I asked for permission, and a lot of the people who were in the aisle of the store actually moved a little bit so that I can tape. So I wanted to show you first this section over here, which has a lot of doll food and different things that are for make-believe play. And also they have sewing machines, and they have a small stove, as well as other kitchen accessories. And on the bottom here, they actually have complete sets that are for Barbie dolls, as well as for making or play believe. In here at the top, they have a lot of baby dolls, which I wanted to show you before I actually go to the Barbie section, because this is a lot of fun. You can see here that they have baby alive dolls, as well as dolls that are pretty cute, and they have different hair colors, and they look so cute. They're like real babies. Look at them. And over here they have more baby alive dolls, and on the side as well. If we look at the bottom, they have dolls that are a little bit more realistic. They have baby dolls that have hair, about 2 years old, and baby dolls which are like newborns, and that they have their own crib and everything. And on the bottom, we have more baby dolls with their bathtub, as well as other accessories. And on the side here, they have dolls that are actually for a little bit older children, as well as little mermaid dolls. And on the bottom here, they have the more realistic dolls. These are a little bit more expensive, and you can see the quality of the dolls are very nice. And over here on this side, we have a doll set that actually has the bathtub, everything for the bath actually, and that's pretty cute. I'm going to show you right behind myself, and on this section here they have doctor sets or doctor kits in pink as well as in blue, so boys and girls can actually play with these, as well as other accessories for dolls and make-believe, which are like a coffee shop. They have coffee as well as cupcakes and other things. We have a little band, an ice cream band at the bottom, and on this side we have a baby Cicciobello, I think it is, which is an Italian brand. And at the top here we have dolls that are similar in size to Barbie dolls. I think that they're called Simba dolls or Steffi dolls, and they're from the brand Simba, which I think is Germany or from Germany. I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong on the comments down below. And here we have dolls that are Barbie lookalikes, and over here on this section are the dolls that I actually wanted to show you, which are so cute. They're like real small babies, and they come in different hair colors, and I really love them. Over here at the bottom we have Evie, which is also another Simba doll. Simba is the name of the brand for these particular dolls. And then we have Chelsea dolls at the bottom. They have different sets for ice cream, for the castle, for school. And all the way at the top we have Elsa dolls as well as Anna dolls. And at the very top of the store, here we have the Barbie band. We have the Barbie house sets, and that's pretty cool. Coming back to the bottom again, we have Anna dolls and Elsa dolls and other Steph dolls that are a lot. They are like lookalikes of Elsa and Anna actually. And on the bottom over here, we have Winx dolls, we have Rapunzel, we have a lot of the Descendant dolls here, as well as Miraculous Ladybug. And we have more Simba dolls on the bottom, as well as Disney dolls. And again, more Simba dolls all the way at the bottom here. They look a lot like Chelsea. And we have Chelsea sets at the bottom, which are for school and for daycare. And if we move a little bit to the side, now we start seeing the Barbie dolls, and they have Kens all the way at the top, and made to move Barbies, as well as Barbies with closets. And also they have Skipper with the baby. They have made to move Barbies down here in different colors, and they have ballerina Barbies. And I don't know, these Cave Club girls, which it's the first time that I see them, and Enchantimals, as well as other Barbie dolls all the way down here. And they have the wedding Barbie as well. and other different type of mini dolls here and accessories, which I'm not very familiar with. So if you have ever bought these or have played with these, let me know on the description down below, or the comments down below actually. And again, I have a couple of these Chelsea dolls here, which I bought a couple of weeks ago. And on the bottom they have cans with different bathroom sets, and they have more Chelsea dolls. Going back all the way at the top again, we are seeing more Barbies, more Ken dolls, as well as Barbies now that come with sets for the hair and also for the pet care. And we have Mermaid Barbie, and we have a yoga Barbie, and we have Princess Barbie, and we have again another Mermaid Barbie and Dr. Barbie as well. There are so many different types of Barbie over here. It's amazing the amount of Barbies that you can get in just one store. And yeah, I really love Barbie, as you guys know, so I'm thinking about buying a set together with my Barbie doll. So that might be something that I will do in the future. If you guys comment down below which set do you think I should buy, let me know. And we have Chelsea dolls, and these are pretty cute. They actually Chelsea I Can Be, which is pretty cool. It has different sets of different things that Chelsea can do, teacher, doctor, and so on. And then we have Barbie doll sets at the bottom. They have the Barbie doll spa, which I really want, as well as the cafeteria. And then at the top again, we have different dolls. These are Barbie dolls for salon, and also with different accessories, and the extra Barbie dolls, which are pretty cool. And then we have Barbie Dreamtopia all the way here, and we have Rainbow Barbie as well. And then we have a Dr. Barbie, Teacher Barbie, Barbie Chef, and a lot of accessories on this side with the closet. And these are the accessories themselves, with the shoes, with the dresses, and everything else. And then we have play sets for Chelsea. And I really love coming into the store and actually seeing all these babies and all these Barbie dolls. And I am so glad that the manager let me film. Let me know on the comments down below if you have any of these dolls. Which one did you buy? Which one do you have? Are you planning to get one for Christmas? Are you planning to ask for a Christmas for any of these dolls? And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.